Here you can see what is equality. In this picture, if you check, all have equal opportunity. But because of many reasons, here, especially height, we cannot say that all have equal opportunity. And so that here we can see as the first person whose height is too high, we don't need any kind of support. Again, repeat switch of mic. Second one, we need one support. And third one, we need double support. This way, our constitution has some provisions to maintain equality. Then we are moving towards next slide. Yes, whose mic is on? Now we are moving towards next slide. This is describing equality in suffrage. Equality in suffrage means casting vote. We are not discriminated on the basis of caste or religion that some particular people belonging to particular community can vote, others can't. No. Rule is same for each and everyone that any Indian citizen whose name is enrolled in electoral register and his age is 18 or more than 18 can cast vote without any discrimination. First of all, Rupra Shreyansi will read.
Yes. We
Continue.
have seen that everyone is given different kinds of equality in the constitution. Democracy is the rule of the people by the people and for the people. Democratic government is formed by popular vote. Starting from the smallest unit of democracy, Gram Panchayat, the largest panchayat is the country.
Parliamentary.
Parliamentary elections are held thought voting. Every citizen over the age of 18 is given the right of vote and a citizen registered in the electoral roll can vote.
Yes, we have seen how equality is maintained in our country. Yes, we are in democratic country. There is democracy in our country, and so then here government is ruled by the people, for the people, and government is with the people. By the people means government is formed by people with majority of vote. For the people, government works for the public welfare on behalf of people and with the people. Government always support its citizens. Here voting is started from the smallest unit. Smallest unit is Gram Panchayat, village Panchayat we call it. In class 6 you studied about village Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, district Panchayat, Nagar Panchayat, Nagar Palika and municipal corporation. Village Panchayat is the smallest unit. Why? Largest unit is Parliament. We call it MP, Member of Parliament. Here, every citizen of our country, as we have just discussed, every citizen who has right to vote, but the condition is his age must be 18 or more than 18. Besides this, in this picture you can see a voter is casting his vote, but no one is there to watch whom he is voting or whom he is electing. It is called secret. By this, in that room, some government employees are there who are involved in election process only. But with him, no one is there. Thus, everyone get the right to vote. When you will be 18 at that time, you will also get election card as well as you can enroll your name in electoral register and you will get the right to vote. During the time, you will choose your candidate according to your choice and but at that time try to check the candidate, not party, community, caste or religion. Who is good for your area? Choose that candidate. Next one is Thakkar and Suman.
Yes, sir.
Continue better.
Similar equality in the Constitution has been measured between all states. Everyone has the right to vote. There are also investing details about the right to vote. Voters are warned to not to vote out of fear,
Yes, sir.
invitation,
Bullying.
bullying, or immediation. The election commissions arrange to explain the importance of voting and ensure the voting takes place without any kinds of fear.
Yes. When we are going for what? Or when one is casting his vote. At that time, there should not be any kind of fear that if I vote someone, what will others do? This kind of fear is should not be. Besides this, here we can also see the interest of right to vote to aware the people for casting vote and so that Election Commission of India arrange some seminars, advertisements, banners to increase maximum voting or maximum percentage of vote. Besides this, everyone can cast his vote without fear. Intimidation means any error or any mediator by any person or party, bullying or threaten. In other words, you can say threaten. This way, a person can cast vote without any. And for the same thing as we have just discussed, Election Commission arrange some seminars, meetings, advertise on televisions, newspapers, and others media by providing instruction how to cast vote, how suppose how to use EVM machines, etc. And they also got the right. What are their rights and how can they use their now next slide. Chani Prasant.
Yes,
Yes, read when the slide present on your screen. Let's start.
okay. Equality in suffrage. Special efforts are made to ensure that as many people as possible vote during the election. Voters are made aware through advertisements and special arrangements. The election con- commission
Commission.
Commission conducts election in a neutral manner. Special arrangements are made so that all re- regis- registered registered voters in India can cast their votes. There are special polling stations for women. Special facilities are provided for persons with disabilities.
Yes. For this election, this process, some special efforts are taken by Election Commission of India. They are made. They ensure the people during the voters are also made aware by different advertisements, as I have told, in arranging meetings, advertisements in banner, newspapers, or television. Besides this, commission conducts election in neutral manner. Means for in term or in eyes of election commission, no one is superior. During the time of election commission has the maximum power. Suppose there is election in Gram Panchayat or village Panchayat or state level. At that time, election commission has more power than state central government, but only for election process. And this way, they provide fair elections. Besides this, in this election process, there are special arrangements. Suppose, for example, for women, special polling booths are there. People who are physically disabled, they are provided preferred in casting vote. And this way, election commission involved in the election process. And every citizen of our country can participate and try for maximum voting. Then we are moving towards next slide. It will read by now the topic is child labor. Next one is yes, someone has raised a hand. If he has questions, switch on mic and ask. No problem, it might be for reading. Yes, now Kogari Maria will read.
Yes, sir.
I think slide is presented on your screen.
Yes. The constitutions provide specific guidance on some aspects of child labor equality. Even so, owning one is still beyond the reach of the average person. Child labor is key to such
Just a minute. Yeah, continue.
child labor is key to such inequality. Child labor is a violation of the right to education. All citizens of our country have the right to free, compulsory and universal pay for 6 to 14 years. This right is equally granted. In modern times, the trend of not educating daughters in higher education is seen somewhere. It is kind of crime if children meet the age at which they have to go to school. It is against the law to employ a child under the age of 14.
Here is child labor. At many places we can see little children are working, especially in hotels or other industries, in shops. It is a crime because our constitution has provided right to education. By this, according to the law, every citizen means every child of our country whose age is between 6 and 14 has right to education. Free education all over the country. And if anyone found child labor or employ a child in his shop, industries or else, at that time he would be punished. This way we should use our right to education. Besides this, we have also seen at some places female education is not there. We can say not there. Or only primary educations are provided, then parents do not send them for higher education. They are trying for it and providing equality to women and try to avoid this kind of parents. Mostly nowadays we are in city level, And so that we can see mostly all the girls are studying, but especially in village level, which are too far, girls either does not get education or they get education at limited, some primary or secondary, whatever the available in the next one. Amelia Srusti.
Yes, sir.
Continue. Yes, continue, beta.
Yes. Men and
Labor
women are discriminated in paying wages in the same work. Child labor is also kept in some places for having to pay less. Some work is done with disabled persons. They are
person.
paid very little for this work. In a democracy, the number of snatches are implemented by the government to train and support the disabled so that are not exploited. If there is such a
Crippled.
crippled person around us, we have to cooperate with him. People with disabilities, women, and small children are paid less in an injustice.
Very good. Now here labor. In other words, our language we can say majuri. When it is time for paying for the same work, male and female, men and women are discriminated. They are not paying same. They are not paid same amount. Besides this, some, as we have just discussed about child labor, some people who hire or employ children so that they need to pay less in comparison to elderly. With the same, those people who are physically disabled, these kind of people are also employed by lower wages. In this way, try to exploit the people. For this same, government has prepared or made some schemes and laws to uplift these kind of people and make them equal. In this way, government is trying to stop injustice. Next topic is equality in democracy. Yes, it is about 10 minutes remain, so that we have to stop. Now we are going with